Welcome to Build Your 3D. In this video, we'll explore the Parametric Small Pump Impeller Generator. Whether you're repairing a pump, building a custom fluid handling system, developing a prototype, or experimenting with 3D printed pump components, this configurator allows you to generate a custom impeller directly in your browser. No CAD software required. The impeller is generated automatically based on your selected dimensions. Simply adjust the parameters, update the preview, and inspect the resulting geometry before downloading your STL file or ordering professional 3D printing. Let's take a closer look at each parameter. The first setting is the impeller outside diameter. This defines the overall diameter of the impeller and should match the available space inside the pump housing while providing enough clearance for smooth rotation. Next is the backplate thickness. This controls the thickness of the rear plate that supports the impeller blades. Increasing this value improves stiffness and strength, but also requires more axial space inside the pump. The next parameter is the number of blades. The blade count has a significant influence on the flow characteristics, pressure generation, efficiency, and smoothness of operation. Different pump applications may require different blade counts, depending on the desired performance. Next comes the blade height. This determines how far the blades extend from the backplate. The blade height directly affects the available flow channel and must fit within the internal dimensions of the pump housing. Now let's look at blade curvature and rotation. This parameter controls the curvature of the impeller blades and defines the intended direction of rotation. Positive and negative values mirror the blade geometry, allowing you to match the impeller to clockwise or counterclockwise motor rotation. Finally, we have the D-shaft nominal diameter. This specifies the diameter of the D-shaped shaft opening that connects the impeller to the motor shaft. Selecting the correct shaft size ensures a secure fit and reliable torque transmission. Once all parameters have been configured, the interactive 3D viewer allows you to inspect the impeller from every angle. Rotate the model. Zoom in to examine the blade geometry. Verify the shaft opening and overall proportions before manufacturing or 3D printing. The preview accurately represents the generated geometry. Build Your 3D makes it easy to generate custom pump impellers without the complexity of traditional CAD software. Whether you're replacing a damaged impeller, designing a prototype, or developing a custom pump, you can create a fully customized 3D printable impeller in just a few clicks. Visit buildyour3d.com to explore more parametric engineering components and start designing your own custom models today. Thanks for watching.